Why do you look so bored?
I don't know, I'm just lost in my thoughts.
About what?
Like, everything is so boring.
What do you mean boring?
Like, look, every discovery has already been made. Everything is visible from satellites. It's just boring.
Don't you want to have your name written in history as a discoverer?
Well, sure, don't you?
Well, do you know where the last geographical discovery was made?
I don't know, like, Africa?
Nope. Guess?
South America, then?
Well, no. In Siberia.
Привет! Здравствуйте, ребята! Рад, что вы тут.
Как у вас тут холодно?
Это не холод. У нас сейчас тепло. Я вам покажу настоящий холод и настоящее лето в Якутии. Поехали! 55. Ход 5.
Well, have you changed your mind about the times we live in?
Well, sure I have.
Don't you think it's boring anymore?
No, we live in such a cool time when you can go to any place on Earth and discover new worlds, and that's so cool.